Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you the tutorial about Google Docs mobile application, especially on how to check spelling and how to count word in your document. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my document in my Google Docs application and I'm going to check spelling of this document. If we want to do that, we can click on these three dots on the top right and then we can go to the spell check. We can use this feature to check spelling in our document. Okay, just click on it and as you can see, here I have one correction. I have to change this word. I have to change this word to this one and I'm just going to click on change. Okay, and now the word has been changed and as you can see that there's no spelling suggestion. And then if we want to count word, we can click on this three dots icon again and then just click on word count. And here you will get information about how many words you have and how many characters you have without or with spaces. Alright guys, and that's all of the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.